IoT is becoming more and more popular as the year goes on. This is not surprising as the IoT can help us automate nearly everything in our everyday life. That can make our daily life a lot simpler in every way. This will be likely the case even in the far future. IoT also share a fair of its importance on the industry side of things too. IoT is also becoming an essential technology business and industry. The IoT devices can deliver insight into everything from machine performance to logistic operations. IoT also allow companies to automate process and in turn save money on human resources. So for this project, I choose to make a Bluetooth fingerprint door lock system. In this project, I will make a small circuit that has a locking mechanism that can be controlled via Bluetooth. An app is used to control the lock and see the status of the lock. Furthermore, the LED on the board will tell the status of the lock. If the LED is red, if the LED is lit up, that means is the lock. Otherwise, if the green LED is lit, if it is mean that the door is unlocked. Okay, so this part, first we need to turn on the Arduino. As you can see here, the Bluetooth module is on. So using the app, connect to the HC005 and click on the unlock. Use your fingerprint, then it will unlock the door. Okay, so to lock it, just press the lock button, then scan your fingerprint, then it will lock the the door. Okay, that's it.